crunk. Alright friends, so we're gonna do the Yzma makeup tutorial. So Ron and I decided to do Yzma and Karah for Halloween. So we already made our costumes. If you'd like to see how we made them, I did do a vlog of us actually making them. So I will link that up above if you want to check that out. So this is probably the most intense Halloween look I've ever done. So we'll see how this goes. So I'm gonna put my hair up first. Get it out of the way, and I'm wearing a tank top so that I can, so the dress is spaghetti straps, so I'm going to try and get all of the things. So the first thing I'm going to do is glue down my eyebrows so that I can cover them, so that I can make big eyebrows up here. So I have Elmer's glue. I only have the spray-on kind because for some reason none of the stores had like the glue stick. Don't know why. So I'm actually just going to put this on my finger and apply directly to my eyebrow. And I'm going to let this sit for like forever because I did attempt to do this earlier to see how it would work. And if it's not completely dry, the makeup cakes around it. So you want to make sure it's completely dry first. So I'm just going to place this here and then I'll probably let it dry for like 10 minutes. And then be back to continue on. Okay, so my eyebrows are completely dry, so now I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation primer. So before I do the face paint, I'm going to prime and do like foundation and stuff just to kind of protect my skin from the face paint and to cover up like my eyebrow color. So I'm gonna first use primer and all over. And then to cover up the color of my brows, I'm actually going to use our under eye corrector, and this helps to counteract dark spots and dark circles and stuff like that. So since my brows are super dark, I'm going to actually put this right over top, and I'm going to do a lot, and I'm going to let it sit for a second to kind of just cover up the color. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some foundation. This isn't even my color, it's just some old foundation for like when I'm completely white in the winter. So I'm just gonna take whatever I have because you're not gonna be able to see it. And I'm just going to put my foundation on. So I'm just very carefully going over my brows with a sponge. Alright, so I'm going to set this with my translucent loose powder. I'm going to put a lot on my brows. Okay, so now I'm going to get into the face paint. So I have two different colors. So I have this purple by Snazaroo. It was just a cheaper paint that I found online. And then I had this from before. This is Mayron Paradise, and this is just a white that I've already had. So this was too dark, so I ended up mixing it with the white to get like this light purple kind of situation here. I was trying to go for more of like a purpley gray. It more looks like a lavender, so we're gonna see if this looks correct or not. So I'm just taking one of our old makeup brushes, foundation brushes, this flat one that I have, and I'm just gonna put that everywhere. Okay, so I finished the face paint and I ended up going over it with a layer of white to make it a little less purple. I'm probably gonna fidget with the color beforehand next time I do it. And I didn't get like the back because I can't reach. So I'll probably have Ron finish that for me. So this is what it looks like. I even went underneath with the white and I'm gonna show you why I did that in a second. So the face paint is done. So I'm going to do the eyes and stuff next. So I wanted to do more of like a glam Yzma, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna take my warm palette, my warm pinks palette. No, I'm gonna take my cool pinks palette. So this is the cool pinks palette. This was a limited edition palette from before, but I still have a few left, I think. And then I'm also gonna take this onyx, so I'm gonna give her a smoky eye. So let me get my brushes out here. Alright, I look freaking crazy right now. It's fine. So I'm gonna do a smoky eye, so I'm gonna take onyx, and I'm going, so basically I'm just doing the same as I would with my normal smoky eye, except her eyes are gonna be like this big. So I'm gonna actually make it seem like here is like my crease, you know what I mean? Like my eyebrow is my crease instead. So I'm just going to do onyx right here, and instead of just keeping it in my crease, I'm actually going to take it all the way up to my brow because that's gonna be my new crease. So she's gonna get some big eyes. So I wanted to make this more, like I wanted to make it look like I'm Yzma, so I wanted to make it kind of cartoony, but I'm also making it like kind of glam as well. So I'm going to try and do both. So we'll see how that turns out. Okay, so now I'm going to take the darkest purple of this palette, so this one right here, and I'm going to make that like most of her eye color. So I'm going to go over the black a little bit, and I'm going to bring this out all the way over here. So if you see Yzma's actual eye color, it's kind of similar to this color, and it's like just one big color. I'm going to do most of it this color, and then I'm actually going to take some lighter colors in the inside here. Okay, and then I'm actually going to take, so I'm going to take my flat brush, and I'm going to take this lightest color in the palette to kind of give her some sparkle. Okay, I actually don't like how that's turning out, so I'm actually going to take this color here, the second color, and I'm going to put that here first to give it more of a transition, because I feel like it went from dark to light. So I'm just going to put this here. Okay, now I'm going to go in with that bright color, and I'm going to put that right here. Okay, so there's her eyes, and I'm going to give her eyebrows, and then I'm going to give her lash extensions too, so it doesn't look super crazy. So the first thing I'm going to do is give her eyebrows. So I have just a normal like paint thing from Halloween painting thing. I'm just going to sketch this real quick. So I'm actually going to take this gel eyeliner to make her brows and to like fill them in. She doesn't have thick brows, she has super thin brows, so I'm gonna make this as thin as possible. So while I have this gel eyeliner, I am actually going to do like the black here to, because I only have the straight across turban that I'm going to wear. So I'm going to actually make the rest of it with the liner. So I'm going to go here. Okay, so my camera's been having some issues, so I don't know if this recorded or not, but I used my Halloween like face paint to draw the bottom, kind of make it my bottom lash, and then I just took some grays and I made some dark circles because she has dark circles. I decided to put a little bit of a highlight up here. The eyes aren't coming out the way I want, so I'm hoping that when I finish it'll look kind of better with everything else. So what I'm going to do now is kind of make her high cheekbones and like do a contour. So I'm going to use this Ditch Doll because it's like purple, and I'm just going to draw on where I want it. So she has like super high cheekbones. I'm actually going to take this purple, I think this is Frozen Iris, and I'm going to actually contour using this color. So I'm just going to use my blending brush and kind of place it on here and kind of blend it out. So this kind of gives her that high cheekbone that she has. Okay, so there's my contour, and then I'm going to take the limited edition Canary Diamond to highlight. So just to kind of bring out her cheekbones more. And then I'm going to do the lips. So I kind of wanted to do a purple lip, but she has like pinkish lips. So I kind of made, so I'm doing this Flora, no, I think it's magenta. This is the magenta lip tint. This is like a spring product from like 2 years ago. So I'm going to put this on first, and then I'm going to put this Grazie Violet, so this is an old lipstick too. I'll put that on top. And then Yzma likes to sparkle, so I'm going to put our sparkle lipstick on top of that. So give her some glam. And then, so you can go back and give her some wrinkles if you want. I know she has like a divot here, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to do it with this purple eyeliner. And you can put some wrinkles and stuff here if you want. I'm going to leave it for now and see what the finished product looks like. And then I'm going to do my lashes. I'm going to like coat it with mascara first and then put the fake lashes on. And then I'm going to put all my stuff on so you can see the results. So I'm going to start with my lash intensity to thicken the lashes. I'm actually going to probably draw some lashes down here to make it obvious that that's what it's supposed to be. And then of course to make super long lashes, I'm going to do the Panorama. So before I put the fake lashes on, I'm going to spray myself down with finishing spray. So these are the fake lashes I got. They are SBC Fashion eyelashes. I got them online for really cheap. I could have possibly even gotten these on Wish. So they are already sticky, so I'm just gonna stick them on. I also got some glue from the dollar store because I don't really use fake lashes, so I didn't really go out of my way to buy fancy glue. As you can tell, I don't wear fake lashes like ever, so I'm gonna figure out how to put these on. So I totally forgot that I was gonna do a glam look and I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner, so I'm gonna put that on first before I put my lashes on. Okay, so I put the lashes on and then I didn't like how this was happening, so I ended up painting over it all and then just taking the purple by itself and putting the contour in, and then I fixed this and I put a little bit of black where the nose is, just because she has like more of an upward nose. I don't mind the eyes as much now that the lashes are on, so I'm gonna go put on my full getup and show you the results. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. Look how awesome this is. So I'm very happy how this came out, and the makeup, as I was doing it, I was a little worried that it wouldn't portray what I wanted to portray, but once I got everything on, the lashes kind of make it, these earrings kind of make it, to be honest. So it definitely looks like Yzma now that I have everything together. So I'm glad that I changed this part of the face because it was just not coming across. And then I think it's in like 2 days our party, and I'm gonna have to do this all over again. So at least now I know what to expect. It'll probably take me less time. So I think it'll come out better than it did right now. So I'll definitely try to record a little bit of the finished product before we go over, or even take a picture so you guys can see what it actually looks like the day of our party. So yeah, so I'm super excited, and if you want to see the making of all of this, go ahead and go to that vlog that I was talking about. I'll link it up above and down below just so you can find it really quickly. And that's all I have for y'all. I hope you enjoyed this look and are excited for Halloween like I am. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for more videos every Thursday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.